Okay. Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? Good morning, online. Huh? Can you see me? Okay. Okay. Too much dark. No, you feel like sleepy today, huh? Don't move that curtain. There is one auntie there. Every time she'll disturb me. Close the curtain. Ashok Reddy, we saw you yesterday, sir. Very good. Photos? So finally you saw me, huh? Online. Everyone saw me. జన్మ ధన్యమైందా అయ్యో ఓన్లీ ఆన్ ఫోటో చాలు స్వామి చాలు యూఆర్ లుకింగ్ టూ యంగ్ వేసేసాడు అక్షయ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ మేకప్ ఫౌండేషన్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ నో మేకప్ జస్ట్ 3-4 క్రీమ్స్ అండ్ దెన్ పౌడర్ గుడ్ నైస్ ఓకే సో and today what we're going to do is we'll give a chance to online people also to speak. Okay. Right, so I we got speaker also here, so after the class, so we'll hear also from online people what they talk. So sometime, so they also have this thing, right? So they want to talk to me and talk to everyone, right? So let's see. Ayyo, Rachuri. Thank you. Okay, so i'm I'm very happy and really good. Okay, so let's move on to today's topic. So what is today's topic? VPC peering. What is that, Nana? VPC peering. So okay, so let me share my screen first. And by the way, anyone tried VPC yesterday? What, sir? Yesterday we did. You are asking today, huh? So today, okay. So take your time and then do it. Okay. I saw online, huh? No, you are coming offline. Okay, maybe you're wet, no? So that's maybe okay. So can you please confirm? Can you see my screen and can you hear me well online? So there is a question here. Sir, I have launched private and public subnet in same. I have launched private and public subnet in same availability zone, due to which internet was not accessible in private EC2. That's wrong. So guys, can you create your subnets in availability zones? Yes. Okay. Let's say we have created one public subnet in 1A, another private subnet in 1B. Yes or no? Can you create public subnet in 1A and private subnet also in 1A? You can create, no issues. So due to high availability purpose, we have put it in different availability zones. Can you create multiple subnets in same availability zone? Yes, you can create it. No issues. You can create it. But the problem here is why he is not able to access internet is due to NAT entry. If there is no proper NAT entry, and then you have the internet issues. So what we're going to do is today, again, whatever we have did yesterday, like setting up the VPC, again, we'll be doing 2 times today. Same thing, 2 times today. Okay. So let's see. So I draw the diagram first. So this is Mumbai VPC, Nana. Okay. This is Mumbai VPC. So in Mumbai VPC, what is the CIDR of the Mumbai VPC that we used? What is the CIDR? 192.168.00/16, correct? Okay. So now in Mumbai, how many subnets we have created? Yesterday we set up VPC, no, Mumbai VPC. How many subnets we have created? Not in default. Here we created 2 subnets. What are those? Public subnet and then private subnet. Very good. So what is the public subnet CIDR? 192.168.1.0/24. And private, Nana? 192.168.2.0. The first one is public subnet, correct? So this one is public subnet. Yeah. And this one we call it as private subnet. So now why we call it as public subnet? Because it is routing to internet gateway. And why we call it as private subnet? Because it is routing to NAT gateway. And then what we did, guys, whatever the VPC that we have architected yesterday, I'm putting in the representative format today. Okay. So this is a Mumbai VPC and we created 2 subnets, public subnet and then private subnet. And public subnet is routed to internet gateway and private subnet is routed to NAT gateway. And then what we did, we launched one EC2 instance, public subnet. No, what is the EC2 instance called? Jump server or Bastion server. So this is EC2 and I call it as Bastion server. And also we have launched one more EC2 instance in private subnet. So this is a private server. So call it as private server. This is EC2. And then this is the laptop we have. We are here. This is a laptop. We are in internet. We are on the internet. Okay, now tell me, Nana, see here. So this is what we have done yesterday, no? Yes or no? We created a VPC and we created 2 subnets and we launched one EC2 instance in public subnet, which is Bastion, and another one in the private subnet, which is private server. Okay, now you tell me, from your laptop, can you directly connect to your private subnet? What do you think? Yes or no? Definitely no. Your laptop is in the internet. Can you directly connect to the private subnet? No. How do you connect? How to connect? Through Bastion. Excellent. How do you connect? First, you need to connect to Bastion, and from Bastion, you will be connecting to the private server. We did this yesterday, no? Yes. Till here, we did it. So whatever we did yesterday, this is in the diagrammal format. Is that clear? And then what we do is assume that we have another VPC. We have another VPC. That can be in the same region, that can be a different region, that can mean another complete account also. Guys, another VPC which is in the same account, which is in the same region. Okay, let's say for example, I can keep it in Mumbai also, I can keep it in another region. Which is another region? We go for it now. Let's say Ireland VPC. So please keep this in mind. If 2 VPCs wants to talk to each other, their CIDRs should be unique. Their CIDR should be unique. What is the CIDR here in Mumbai VPC? 192.168.0016. Is it possible to have 192.168.0016 for Ireland? No, it should be unique. So should we change it? 192 instead of 168, can I put 169.0.0/16? Another CIDR? Yes. Another subnet, another network range. So guys, 2 VPCs, that meaning, let's say for example, you have 2 homes. 2 homes will be with the same address. Definitely little bit change will be there, no? Flat number will also be different, right? So is it possible to have 2 with the same unique address? Not possible. So is it possible to say hi, bye to your neighbor? I mean, do you have the connection to your neighbor? No. If required, yes, you can go to that house and he can go and come to your house also. I mean, your friend, whatever it is, right? You have neighbors, right? You have neighbors. So here also you have two VPCs. Two VPCs should be with the same CIDR or different CIDRs? Different CIDRs. So if two VPCs wants to talk to each other, it should be having a different CIDRs or it should be having a unique CIDR. Okay, Nana? Okay. So now I have put here, what is the Ireland VPC CIDR? Tell me. 192.169.0016. Tell me that. 192.169.0016. One more time. 192.169.0016. Can I have 170 also? 171 also? Your wish. It can be having different networks we can have. But let us take an example as 192.169.0016. And Mumbai is 192.168.0016. Ireland is 192.169.0016. So both are different CIDRs. Can we do the peering now? Possible now? Yes. Okay. So we need to also go and set up Ireland VPC, right? In Ireland also, we'll create two subnets. In Ireland also, we create two subnets. What are those two subnets? Public subnet and tell me the CIDR for this. 192. Excellent. Excellent. Similarly here, 192.168.2.0/24. Very good. So the first one we call it as what subnet? Public subnet. And second one we call it as private subnet. So, and then why it is called public subnet? Because this is routing to internet gateway. And why this is called private subnet? Because it is routing to the NAT. Now, I have one EC2 instance in the private subnet. Okay. No. Now, from your laptop, is it possible to directly connect to your private subnet of Ireland? Yes or no? No. This one, no. And this one, no. Yes, it had to connect through those. Okay, so we cannot directly connect to the private subnet. But the thing is, my requirement here is like this. See this requirement, guys. See this requirement. Now, from my laptop, I want to connect through Bastion and I want to connect to my Mumbai private server. Can we able to connect? Where are you now? Mumbai private server. From Mumbai private server, from here, I want to connect to another VPC, that too in the another region, that too in the private subnet. Is that possible? General, is that possible? No way. You like, you have another flat directly you're talking to the bedroom. Right? So hi, hello, you're saying, right? Is that possible? No. So, but if you dig a tunnel, yes. If you want to move from one house to another house, yes, you can. So now, see here. Now here, from here, I want to connect to another VPC, another region directly to the private subnet. Generally, it's not possible, but it is possible with the VPC peering. What is that? VPC peering, right? So now my requirement is to connect like this. No. Do we need Bastion server in Ireland VPC? Not required. I don't need Bastion server. I want to connect from private to private. Private to private. So how do we connect? Using Nana VPC peering. So here you have using VPC peering, you can connect. Yes. This is VPC peering. Was it Nana? VPC peering. Is it clear? Is this clear? What is VPC peering? Is this clear? So remember that your Ireland VPC can be in the same region, different region, can be in another account also. Yes, it can be another account. Let's say I have one account and let's say, for example, Venkat has another account. Both are different accounts. Yes, both are different accounts. Can we do the VPC peering for both different accounts also? Yes, possible. No issues, possible. You're getting it? Okay, so now, Nana, I want you to concentrate. See here. See, this is what subnet? Private subnet. This private subnet is routed to NAT. This private subnet is routing it to NAT. So now let's say, for example, this IP address. What is this IP address? 192.169.2.10, for example. Okay, we'll take this 2.10. So what you need to do is from this you need to do SSH to this IP address. Correct or not? Yes or not? From here you want to connect through here. Correct? The problem here is, see, all the traffic in the private subnet is routed to NAT. Okay, now all traffic, meaning this traffic also will come inside it. Okay, now we are doing SSH to this IP address. So it is now routed to NAT only, no? So it will go to the NAT. NAT will send it to where? NAT will send it to internet gateway, no? So it will go to internet gateway. From internet gateway, it will go outside internet. From outside, it will go here. Is it possible to connect like this? Yes or no? Is it possible to connect from internet directly to a private subnet? So the problem here is, guys, so in the private subnet, all the traffic is routed to the NAT. So your 169 traffic is also 192.169 traffic is also going through the NAT. Once it is going to NAT, it will go to the public internet. Once it is go to the public internet, can you able to connect from outside to the Ireland private server? No. So the thing is here, instead of routing this particular traffic through a NAT, can I route this 192.169 traffic to VPC peering? You understand? So you have a route. This in this private routing table, you have already a route 000/0 is routed to NAT. Yes or no? Yesterday we did. So now I don't want this traffic to be routed to the NAT. This traffic should be routed to VPC peering. You're getting it? If you don't get, please ask me again. Right? So this particular traffic, Ireland traffic should be routed to NAT or Ireland traffic should be routed to VPC peering? VPC peering. So that meaning we need to add a new entry in my routing table. Which routing table? Public routing table or private routing table? Private routing table. What is the route that I need to add? 192.169.0.016 is routed to VPC peering. You understand? You understand? Similarly, if they want to connect from Ireland to Mumbai, similarly in a private routing table, I need to add 192.160 from Ireland. See, guys, see here. I'm connecting from Mumbai to Ireland. Yes or no? Say that, Mumbai to Ireland. So in Mumbai, which traffic that I need to route? Ireland traffic. Yes or no? So now I want to connect from Ireland to Mumbai. So in Ireland, which traffic I need to route? Mumbai traffic. That meaning which side? 192.168 reverse. You got this, right? So from here, I need to route this traffic, and from here, I need to route to this traffic. You understand? Should we do this? Okay. Everyone clear on the practical? First of all, the logic. Okay. So what we're going to do is now we need to set up how many VPCs? 2 VPCs. Yesterday, we set up Mumbai VPC. Like this, again, we'll set up Mumbai VPC and also Ireland VPC. So in Mumbai VPC, 2 subnets, same thing, whatever we did, same thing, Ireland. And then we'll log into Baston to private server here. And from here, we'll try to connect to the Ireland private server through. So once we set up this VPC, and we launch 3 EC2 instances, then we'll create a VPC peering, and then we go to the private routing table and route it to the VPC peering. Should we do this? So let's connect. No, if you want to set up a peering, then it should be unique siders only, Ashok. So the company will not be having only 192.168 series. They might be having different series also, Ashok Reddy. So if you want to share it to another company, no need to be 192.168.0.0 only. They can create another new network also. Can we back up VPC and can we copy VPC from one region to other region? No way. So can you copy the entire VPC to one region to other region? No. VPC is like your entire infrastructure environment. Can you copy it? No, you cannot. So let's go with password. There is a question. Sir, from Mumbai private subnet, through Mumbai private subnet, can we connect to both subnet if Ireland VPC or only to private subnet? Depend upon the route. If you want to route 192.169 to the private subnet, you can route it. No issues. You can connect both. It's depend upon the routing only. But is it good to connect to the privates? Okay. The question here is, he's asking like this. Sir, I will be in a Mumbai private. Can I connect to this? Is there any use of this? If you want to connect it, why you want to go all the way here and then connect it? Can't you connect like this? Yes, no. So that is nothing. Yeah. So okay. So 962 834. Now you should tell me, you know how to set up a VPC, no? So you tell me, I'll create. Okay. Tell me. Setting up the VPC, all these things will come under the project only, Shankar Rao. I am not using the word called project. That's it. Okay. So if I want to give you projects, setting up this Mumbai VPC is one project. Setting up S3 static website is another project, right? Setting up one sample application with the load balancer is with the backend of RDS is another project. So we did, and then doing the data migration using data sync, AWS transfer family, that is one project. So I have given so many things. You can group it and call it as project. Simple as that. So many things are there. Okay. Yeah. So click on it. Okay, Nana. Click on create VPC. Then call it as Mumbai VPC. What is the CIDR? 192.168.0.0.16. Very good. Tenancy default. Create VPC. So guys, if you say me what to do here, you don't even do the practicals. That's how, I mean, you should do the practicals. You will be very, you will get more confident. Okay, what is the next step? Internet gateway. Okay, let's go to internet gateway. Create internet gateway. Call it as Mumbai IGW. Create it. And you created it. Now, what do you need to do? Attach. Here, attach to VPC. Which VPC? Mumbai VPC. Next step. Subnets. So let's go and create. How many subnets? Okay. So here, which VPC? Mumbai VPC. And what subnet? So very good. Public subnet. And which availability zone you should put? 1A. What is the CIDR? 192.168. 1.0/24. Cool. Add new subnet. Which one is this? Private subnet. So can I put it in 1A also? There is no issues. There is no harm at all. Okay. You can put it in 1A. So this is the problem. Someone has already created the subnets in the same available. You can put it. But one subnet is associated to one availability zone. It is good. Availability zone meaning what? Data center, no, in the backend. So how many availability zones are there here? 3. So indirectly, it is 3 data centers in the backend. So what you're doing is technically, logically, you are launching the EC2 instance in one availability zone. That meaning all your EC2 instance, few EC2 instances will be in one data center, and another few EC2 instances will be in another data center. If you're keeping all the subnets in one availability zone, that means it is a single data center. No, that is a single point of failure. So that is the reason why I always give you best practice to spread across multiple availability zones. Good. So I'm putting it in 1B. And if someone has created like this also, you tell them it is not a best practice to do that. Okay. What is the CIDR? 192.168.2.0/24. Okay. Click on create subnet. What is the next step? Yes. Next, go to NAT gateway. Create NAT. Call it as Mumbai NAT. And which one? Which one? Public subnet. NAT should be in which subnet? Public subnet. Connectivity at public or private? Public. So we need to allocate one elastic IP. Create NAT gateway. Next, route tables. So do we use a default route tables? No. Let's create a route table. What is a route table? Public RT and Mumbai VPC created. Next, private route table. Private RT, Mumbai VPC. And what we need to do? Select public routing table, go to routes and edit routes. Add route. All traffic is routed to. This is public internet gateway. And which subnet is associated? Public subnet is associated. Same thing we need to do it for private one. Select the private. Tell me. Go to routes, edit routes, add routes. All traffic is routed to NAT gateway. Nice. Which subnet associated? Private subnet. Done na? What should we do next? Security group. So let's go to EC2 and then we need to create a security group. So go here and then create security group. Call it as my own Mumbai security group. Give some name. And here, which VPC? So remove this and select Mumbai VPC. Very important. And you said you want Linux only, no? So let's add rule. Which rule? SSH you need to have. Which IP? And create it. And I told you one best practice, no? All traffic. Edit route, add rule. Which one? All traffic to self. Mumbai. My one. Self. Got it? And then we go and launch EC2 instance. So which EC2 instance is this? Bastion server. And then browse. Select this. Red Hat. Come down. Keep air. Name batch. Edit. Which one, Nana? Mumbai VPC. Which subnet? Public subnet. Enable, disable. Enable it. Select existing. Which one? Mumbai. That's it. And then we need to go one more EC2 instance. Let's go and launch instance. Online, you're following? Okay, so I'm back. Okay. So, okay. Can you please confirm? Can you see my screen and can you hear me well? Okay. See, so, okay. So select the 9M batch. So we are creating which one, Nana? Second one, Mumbai private one. So edit it. So select which one? Mumbai, VPC, and which subnet? Private subnet. And disable, enable. Very good. Disable. Select the security group. Which one, Nana? Mumbai one security group. Correct, no? Okay, let's go and launch. So we went and launched an EC2 instance now. And from where to, from now we need to connect to where? We need to connect to Ireland. But first we need to log into which server? Mumbai Baston server. So let's connect to the first Mumbai Baston server. Select it. So put it here. Appearance, bold, 18, 40. And then my name batch. And then open. So we are able to connect. So EC2 minus user. Now sudo minus, yes. Okay, first of all here, we need to, from here, we need to connect to the private server. First of all, we need to connect to the private server. So what is a Mumbai private server? So just now we have launched, no? So it will take time. So just now we have launched. So if I want to do SSH, click on connect. And where is the command? Here, no? Copy this and paste here. But this will work. It will not work. What we need to do? We need to have the PEM file. So should we go and create a PEM file now? So vi 9 a.m. batch.pem file. Okay, now enter and press what? I. So press I. Let's open that 9 a.m. batch. Yes, copy all and then paste it. Okay, now and then escape colon WQ exclamatory. Done. So we need to give the read permissions, no? So what we should do? chmod 400 and then 9 a.m. batch. And now should be connected. Let's go to SSH and this guy, let's go and connect it. Okay, Nana? Enter and say yes. So did we connect it here now? Good. So we are, where are we now? Which one? Which region? Mumbai private server. Where are we now? Mumbai private server. So now from here, we need to connect to where? Ireland private server. So did we create it Ireland wala? Not it. Should we go and create it first of all? Let's go and create it. So now you tell me guys, fatafat, again creating a VPC. So click on here. Yes, select the Ireland region. Okay, create VPC. Tell me, Nana, what is VPC? Is this? Ireland VPC. What is the CIDR? 192.169.00/16. Very nice. So create VPC. So you have to be very careful while creating. If something one goes wrong also, it's gone. So now let's go to internet gateway. Create internet gateway. Call it as Ireland IGW. Create it. Next, we need to attach it, no? Select it and then attach to the VPC. Which VPC? Ireland VPC. Next. Real time? You have to check with network admin and then give. It cannot be like your own. So guys, siders, VPC siders should be connected with whom? Your network admin. So because your company and then AWS network, they both should be in the same network. If it is different, you cannot do the connection. Next, subnets. So here, let's select Ireland VPC. How many subnets you need to create here? One also, you can create two also, no issues. So as per the process, let's go create two. Okay, which one? Public subnet and put it in one day. And what is the site, Nana? 192.169.1.0/24. Super. One more. Which one? Private subnet. And then put it in 1B. What is the CIDR? 192.169.2.0/24. Create subnets. What is the next step? NAT. Very good. Go to NAT. Create NAT. And Ireland NAT. Which subnet? Which subnet? Public subnet. Actually, for this, do we need internet from here? Not required. Actually, no need to even create NAT and all. But as per the process, let's go and create it. Okay. Select the NAT, and then we need to have one elastic IP, and then create NAT. Next step, routing tables. So create routing tables. Which one, Anna? So public RT, Ireland VPC, selected, and one more routing table, private RT. What is the, how about the routes? Select public RT, routes, edit routes, add routes, all traffic is routed to internet gateway. Which subnet is associated? Public subnet is associated. And then next one, select the private one, routes, edit routes, add routes, all traffic routed to NAT gateway. Which subnet association? Private subnet. Good. So now where should we go? Where? That is in that will come slowly one by one. Okay. So let's go to EC2. Which EC2? Which region EC2? Ireland. So select Ireland. And then we launch. So here, do we need to launch a Bastion server? Not required. Should we go and directly launch Ireland wala? I mean private wala? Let's go to EC2 and then it's T2 micro only, no? So instances. We'll create. Yes. Before this, we need to create what? Security group, no? Very good, Venkatesh. So before that, we create a security group. Create security group and then call it as here, my own Ireland SC. Remove this and select which one? Ireland. And add rule. Which one? SSH, my IP. Create security group. And I told you what is the best practice? All traffic, edit it, and all traffic to self, my own Ireland SC. And now what we do? Now you are able to see. So let's go and launch instance. So this one is Ireland private server. And then browse. So select the Red Hat. You're able to understand, right? We did 3 times setting up the VPCs, right? And then select, come down, and then it is asking for so we need to have a key. No, we need to log in, right? So let's see. Should we have some key? Should we create a new key? Create a new key and I call it as 9 a.m. Ireland, huh? Uh, so I hope all 9 a.m. people should go to Ireland. Oh. Create key pair. So key pair got created. I selected 9 a.m. Ireland. Edit Nana. And then which one? Ireland VPC. Which subnet? Private subnet. Disable, enable. Disable. Select this guy and then select my own Ireland. Boom. Okay, so what we did, see this diagram and tell me, did we achieve what we need? So we have set up Mumbai VPC, we have set up Ireland VPC, and we already are, he logged in and we are here, correct? Yes or no, here? So we are in the Mumbai private server. From here, my Ireland private server is also ready now? Yes, from here now what I need to do? I need to connect to the private server. So should I take the SSH command from this Ireland private server? Okay, let's go to Ireland. So just now we will have a launch, right? So do you see? Click on connect and take this, paste. Now tell me, will this work? No, what we need to have here? PEM file we need to have. Should we go and create a PEM file now? So let's create a PEM file, VIA, and insert. Just now we have used downloaded, right? So in downloads, copy all and then paste it. And then save. Now, now. Huh? Tell me the command. Yes, chmod 400 and 9 a.m. batch. So now you tell me, so now from here, this one, will this connect? Yes or no? Huh? What is that? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. There is no VPC peering, no. There is no tunnel. How will you jump? No, right? So what we need to create now? VPC peering is like it's like a private tunnel only, right? So VPC peering, we need to create it. So will this work? It will not work. So let's go and set up VPC peering. Okay, now from where to where you need to connect? Mumbai to Ireland. So which VPC I need to go now? Mumbai. So let's go to Mumbai. So in Mumbai, on the left side, do you see the peering connections? Click on it and create peering connection. You tell me. Okay, this one is Mumbai to Ireland जाने वाली गाड़ी to Ireland peering. Okay, so Mumbai to Ireland peering. Who is the requester here? Requester is Mumbai. Acceptor is just like sending the Facebook request. You are sending the request and other guy should be accepting it. Similarly here. So who is the requester here? Mumbai. And who is your select the another VPC to peer with? Where is your another VPC? My account, another account. My account. This region, another region. Another region. See, you can do it for another account also, another region, same region. Everywhere you can do the VPC peering. So, okay, now, which region? Ireland. We have Ireland. Here, who is the acceptor? Ireland. So, it is asking for VPC ID of acceptor. So, that meaning I need to go to Ireland, select the VPC and get the VPC ID. Copy and then here paste and click on create peering connection. So now we created a peering connection. So the now request has went to which region? Ireland. So the Ireland wala, what he need to do? He need to accept it. So this Ireland she need to accept. Okay. So let's go to Ireland. On the peering connections, she got the pending acceptance. If she's okay, accept. Otherwise, reject. Simple. How do you get the Facebook request? If you know the person, you accept it. Otherwise, reject it. Simple as that. So here also, why you get here accept reject meaning, let's say I got to know your cider. Can I send a request? If you push accept request, peering will establish and then I can do whatever I want to do in your account. So, remember accepting the peering is very important and danger also. So if you know who is requesting for, check this properly and then accept it. Otherwise, don't accept it. So here, let's click on accept. Accept. So see all the information you have it. Accept. So it is provisioning now. It is active now. In Mumbai also active now. Now tell me, will this work? Huh? Will this work? Yes or no? So you are doing SSH to which one? 192.169.2.152. So now you tell me you are here. You are here, yes or no? You are doing SSH to 192.169.2.152. So all traffic is routed to where? In the private subnet, all traffic is routed to where? NAT. From NAT, it is going to internet. So now SSH 192.169.2.152 also is going to NAT. Will this work? So what we need to do? What we need to do? We need to add a route. Which route we need to add? Ireland route or Mumbai route? In Mumbai, we need to do it. But which route? Which network? Ireland network. Ireland network, we need to add it in the Mumbai private routing table. And that routed to which one? VPC peering. So where I need to give now? Mumbai. We need to go to Mumbai private route table. Yes or no? Go to routes. Edit route. Add route. Which traffic? 192, 160. Excellent. Here is the logic. 169.00/16 should be routed to where? Peering connection. You see? Save. And we need to do the same thing on other side also, no? Right? Other side also we need to do. So go to Ireland. Which routing table? Private routing table. Route. Edit route. Add route. Now which network? 192, 160. /16. Routed to which nana? Peering connection. Good. Now tell me, this will work? Till before also you are confident it will work. Now it's sir is asking multiple times. So work or not? It will work or not? Yes sir, no? Should I put enter now? So working? Not working. What is the reason? We have given the entire cider. Good point. But we have given 0.0. The entire cider we have given. No issues. You can give 2.0 also you can give. But we have given the whole cider. No issues. But another problem is, Pooja already answered. Guys, if you are not able to connect to something, what is the first thing that you should see? Security group. No, I'll tell you the logic. See here. You are here. We are here now. That is even laptop. We are here. Yes or no? So you are connecting to this guy. So from, okay, now tell me, in security group, SSH, we have given my IP. Yes or no? We have given my IP. My IP means your laptop IP. If you are connecting like this, then my IP will work. From where are you connecting now? Mumbai to Ireland you are connecting. Are you connecting from laptop to Ireland? So now my IP will work here. So which one we need to give here? Instead of anywhere, you need to, can you give Mumbai network? Can you give? Yes. So see here, in Ireland security group, which is the network that I need to allow? Mumbai network. For Mumbai network, which is the network I need to allow? Ireland network. You got this point? right? Anywhere also will good, but it's not good to give anywhere. We have to be restricted. Now you tell me. So now you go to Mumbai security group. No, we go to the Mumbai security group. Which one I need to select? This one, inbound rules, edit inbound rules. Which protocol? SSH. Now you tell me, what is the range I need to give here? 192.160, 9.00.60. And the other hand also, in Ireland, I'll go to Ireland security group. Ireland security group, select this, inbound, edit, add, which one? SSH, which one? 192.168.0.0/16. Save. Now will this work? Huh? Yes or no? Online, it will work or not? Tell me. Logic. Yes or no? Confident? Lock किए जाए? Pakka? Let's do. Boom. Do you see that? So guys, we are into another region, another VPC, that too directly to the more private Ireland private server. So this is now possible through VPC peering. You understand? Is it clear how to set up VPC peering? So don't worry, I'll give the steps also for this. Okay, if at all required. Required. Okay, I want you to do the but don't worry. In Google Classroom, I'll give the steps to do. Okay, so and any questions on this? Any questions? So VPC peering will faster and secure compared to internet, guys. Okay, there is a question here. Amal is asking, sir, VPC's peering is compared to it is not about speed and all. It is about the connection between the two VPCs. So let's say, for example, you are using Mumbai. Your infrastructure is in Mumbai. Your another infrastructure in Ireland. So the network is going from Mumbai to Ireland. So it is just to establish the connection. If you want to connect to some other servers in Ireland, so if you want to transfer the data, will it be very speed? No, it will be normal only. Okay, it is not about the speed and network. It is about the just only the connection. Okay, now let me give you a little bit more, little bit additional extra things. Okay, you want extra? Who will? So here, let's say this is your company, Nana. See, this is your company. So from company, you are connecting to the AWS, correct? From company to AWS, how do you connect? Using what? VPN. Using what? VPN. So from company to VPN, you need to have this. So this is VPN. This VPN and this VPN. So this VPN, actually, this VPN, guys, this VPN, by the time you join the company, this VPN, VPCs, everything will be set it up by readily. It will be there because they might have already set it up. Just in case if you got any requirement, like startup companies or when getting a new project and all, then you need to do all these things. So this VPN, if you want to do the VPN, you need to work with your network admin. So from your company, right? So now I want to do handshake with this guy. So he also need to provide the hand, right? I also need to provide the hand. If I only provide one hand to him, can I do the connection? No, he also give the handshake to me, then only the connection will establish. So it is the combination of your network, your company and AWS guy. From AWS guy, what you need to do is to set up the VPN, you need to create simply things you need to create. So you need to create something called VPG, Virtual Private Gateway. What we need to create? And then you need to create customer gateway. And then finally integrate site-to-site VPN you need to create. So 3 things you need to create in order to set up a VPN. What are those? What is those? VPG. What is VPG? Virtual Private Gateway. Simple. Nothing is there. Here in VPC, do you see on the bottom? Here we have, do you see? Virtual Private Gateway. Click on it. When time comes, when requirement comes, do this. Otherwise, not required. See, click on this, give the name, and then click on create. That's it. Nothing is there. And then you need to create what after that? Customer gateway. On the left side, you see customer gateway. So customer gateway is there, no? Customer gateway meaning what? From for AWS, who is your for customer? From AWS, who is the customer? Your company, right? See, I'm AWS, na. This guy Ajay. Ajay is I'm AWS. Ajay is the company. So now for me as AWS, this company is my customer, right? So Babu, if you want to give me so he need to provide the hand, right? That hand is nothing but IP address. That hand is nothing but IP address from the company side, correct? So that is called here customer gateway. Create a customer gateway. Give the name, and do you see this IP address? This will be provided by whom? Admin, network admin. So ask this network admin, give the IP address, and then create it. That's it. And finally, what you need to do is here, create a site-to-site VPN connection. Once you create this VPN connection, one small file you need to download. You download this configuration and give it to the network admin. That's it. He will be setting up VPN for you. This is an additional thing if at all you require. So, and I'll write here, download the configuration and give it to the network admin to set up VPN connection from company to AWS. See guys, let's say you have two VPCs. How many VPCs we have here at the moment? Two VPCs. If you have 10 VPCs, how do you do the peering? Difficult, no? So I showed you with the two VPCs only. For one VPC to another VPC, you did the peering. So if we have multiple VPCs, like this, actually these are all extra things for you. Let's say, Nana, you have all these things. If you have multiple VPCs like this, so you have so many VPCs here like this. So how do you do the VPC peering? So I have these VPCs. So is it required to have only one or two VPCs in your big organization? No, you'll be having multiple VPCs like this. Now, what I told is, as a team lead, I told, hey, connect this, do the peering from this to this. So you use my concept and you'll do it. And another person came, hey, do the connection from here to here. Same concept. I'll do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. You'll go mad or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Definitely you'll go mad. So many connections. So instead of that, AWS came up with the very latestly, AWS came up with a concept called transit gateway. What is it, Nana? So transit gateway is like a hub. Hub for what? For peering. So you just use this, using this transit gateway, you just connect to the transit gateway, and wherever you want to go, you can just go. So if you want to set up multiple peering connections, right, which is the concept that you want to use, you can use transit gateway. Okay, Nana? Good. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any questions? Yeah. So any questions? Anything that, okay, there is a question here. What about security when we peering? What about security when we peering VPC one region to another? If security totally managed by AWS or third party in real time company scenario. So VPC peering, it is all about what kind of permissions. So guys, peering the network is completely managed by AWS in the backend. So if you want to know about security from our side, what is the security thing that we should give is security groups. Don't enable anywhere, and whatever the protocol that you want to enable, only those protocols should be enabled. And routing tables, give it proper ranges you need to give in the routing tables. Will you give 0.00000 for everyone? Don't give like that. But we did this, that is correct. From additional things we have done, no. So we have given Ireland network to Mumbai, Mumbai network to Ireland. So that properly you need to give. Don't give it just like that. That is a security that you can do this. Okay, there is question. Sir, in real time, we connect EC2 instance from different regions via jump host. Is it possible due to VPC peering on jump host? So VPC is not related to from, okay, see here. The question here is, in real time, we connect EC2 instance from different regions while jump host. In real time, do we use jump host? Do you remember yesterday I told you this topic? This is the scenario that you use. Through VPN. You're sitting in the company, no? From the company, you're connecting to your AWS. Will you connect like this? So in your real time, you don't do this. Okay, Venkatesh. Okay. So just in case, if at all you want to do that also, I think you should not be doing like that. It's not a good architect. You should not use jump host. That's why I clearly told on the day 3 scenarios. One is actual real-time scenario. Second one is work from home. And third one is learning concept. So that's what we did 3. Yes. Any other questions? Yes. Any other questions? Are this is really nice, yeah? What is it? Shankar Rao Sen. AWS, amazingly wonderful sessions. Really nice. No, he changed the AWS definition completely. That's really good. Okay, so it is recommended to avoid VPC peering since data on transit is not secure, maybe. Yes, if there is a requirement, then you need to do it. Otherwise, no need, Amal. So guys, is this clear till here, everyone? CC? Online? So should I go and delete all these things? Otherwise, I'll forget. So, okay. So hold on, guys, don't leave. So let's go and delete things. So first of all, we need to delete the NAT. What, Murali Krishna? Oh, hold on. Rajesh, Pavan ni పంపించారా? So, sir, good morning. Nancy, good morning. I got the bill 7,600. Congratulations to my AWS account. Need to continue with the account or need to create one more account? Are papam AWS. Huh? So do think, Nancy, what you can do is, already my offline students are saying, Wave off, wave off. So yes, you can create a ticket with AWS, say that you are a student and then I got this bill, can you please waive off my bill? So they can waive off. um, if not, so yeah, what many people do is they'll just leave that account just like that. Yeah, yeah, don't maintain any balance there. Yeah. Yes, Murali Krishna is saying otherwise no mobile will come to take you. So certifications and all, I told you this already. So meanwhile, so don't leave the class. So I'm allowing online students to talk. Okay. Um, yes, you can disconnect. Yes, you can. So hold on. So let me first delete the VPCs. Okay, first we need to delete the peering. So I'm bringing the speakers so that online people can also, I mean, offline people can also hear you. So that's the reason. Just hold on. Yes, Saho. Sure. So from my side, what I have is still I need to share you the roles and responsibilities that I will be putting into the Google Classroom. That's my, we will do it. Okay. I'll do it that. So, so I think everything is good. So any other questions that I can help you with? And guys, so till now, so many classes. How many classes? 60, no? Completed. Very good. So 60 classes. We have been talking about technical, a lot of technicals. So what we'll be doing now is, once I get the speakers, it's on the way. Once I get the speakers, uh, online people, I'll enable the option to you to speak. So you can talk about your feeling. So let's not talk about any technical. If you just don't ask me, sir, what is load balancer? So so just not about technical things. So okay. So whatever you want to feel like to talk, you can talk. Okay. Open that speaker. Give me that. Hold on, hold on. So here, which device you want to plug in? Headphones or speaker out? But if I click on speaker out, okay. Can you, okay, these guys can still hear me out. If I click on speaker out, so they will not hear, maybe. Hmm? No. Okay. Can you hear me still? Online. Okay. So what we're gonna do is, okay. So security and then okay. So guys, can you unmute yourself and say hello?
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Ah,
Yeah, hi sir, good morning.
increase the volume. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
1, 2, 3.
Mic testing 1, 2, 3.
Okay, good.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, switch off the fans.
Yeah,
Really
hi
good.
sir.
Okay. So good one.
Sir, I also want to see you live at least on live.
Hold on. There's nothing there in projector to see now. Okay. Just switch on the fans so that our online shy coming. Okay, good. So guys, so online people, so if you want to talk, just unmute it and then speak little bit louder.
Class internet.
And all the offline guys are also hearing your voice. Yeah, go ahead, say your name and talk. Yes. Online talk.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hello, sir. This is Amol. I'm attending your sessions from Pune,
Mhm.
and I was searching for material for almost 3 to 4 months here and there for AWS. But thankfully, I got your admission into your class, and now I feel very confident. And just to tell you that I already passed Oracle Cloud certificate just yesterday. Uh, and I thought like concepts are quite helpful that you taught us, and I thought I should share it with you.
Wow. So
Thank
what did you got?
Oracle Cloud Foundation certificate, sir.
Oh, you got it. Very good.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
And actually, it was really difficult to go through the documentation and read and get concepts clarified. But because the way you explained, it was very nice and so simple that I could grab it.
Excellent. Excellent, Amal.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good to
Thank you
hear.
for your teaching.
Thank you. All the best, Amal.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Thank you. Yes, next.
Yeah, this is Vijay Kumar from
Hi,
Hyderabad.
Vijay Kumar.
Hope you guys are able to hear me.
Yes, we are all.
Great, great. The sessions are very good, yes, sir, and it is very helpful for me. Basically, I'm an architect guy. I was purely looking for an automation integration kind of stuff. I was creating my own IPs, companies. So I was purely looking at AWS management consoles and everything. But this session has really helped me out. And I got an information on Dockers, Kubernetes. I'm also training that one and an automation architect. So
Wow.
your session has really helped me to understand an end-to-end, how the next generations would go.
Nice. See, so very, very good to hear it from this experienced people how our course is getting help. You see that? So really good. So other people get motivated with your things. Nice, Vijay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Vijay. All the best. Yes.
Yeah, hi sir, this is Anil Kumar Gupta.
Anil Kumar Gupta. Yes.
Yeah, sir, before joining the class, I thought I never learn the AWS class, but after join, I am capable, I am able to do maximum things in AWS. So I feel very confident and in in any company I can do as per requirements, sir. So thanks for explain to in easy way in AWS and yeah, thank you, sir.
Super, Anil. Thank you and all the very best, Anil. So definitely this will help you a lot and then you will crack soon. Thank you. Next.
Hello, Riyash, sir. This is Subhranshu. And
Shubhanshu. Yes.
yeah, so I'm having 11 years of experience. I'm currently working in PwC. So I started my AWS journey in 2017. So
Oh,
when AWS is new in the market, and I was there in Infosys by that time. So I started to learn AWS. But that time, I don't know, means like whether the documentation issue or some nukes are not available in
Correct.
online, right? So I didn't get through and I stopped there. Then again, 2020 during our Corona time, right? So I again started to learn. So I bought a course from Udemy, I think, Stephen Marek, right? So
Hmm.
I started from that course. Then again, I cannot learn. Means like it's very huge videos, 400 videos are there, right? So I thought
Correct.
how to go through those 400 videos, right? So now after that, some in June, before June or May, right? One of my friend, right? So I asked him, I want to learn AWS, but I'm not getting anything. So he said, okay, there is one guy. Okay, so he has already gone through the training and he is already a associate vice president in JP Morgan. He has
Oh,
gone through your training only. So he said that, one guy is there, so you can join his training. Because I told him I have already had some demo sessions from other tutors, but I don't feel that kind of confidence or that kind of professionalism in their teaching. So he said, no, one guy is there. I'll give you his demo class session link. You can join there. So then I started. I think in May or June, I started your class in the evening section, 6 p.m. or something, 6 p.m. batch, right? So
yeah.
after that, my baby was about to born. So I got some issues. So I told Manoj or the admin, right, to
Hmm.
change the timing. So these 3 to 4 months, right, I never missed one class, right? Means like only one or two class I missed, but since my baby is there, means she's growing up, right? And
Uh-huh.
my wife is also means listening your voice in every morning, right? And if I'm not waking up, she's telling, okay, you wake up, Ria sir's call is there, right?
Okay.
Sometimes, so I'm emotional actually.
No, it's okay.
So thanks
No,
for
no,
giving us all the knowledge.
no, bro. Don't be emotional. Shubhanshu, I'm really good to that you got this much knowledge, and then I really can feel you. So all the very best. All the very best. And my offline people are also clapping for you. So don't be emotional and then be brave. Okay. Really good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhanshu. All the best.
Good
Yes.
morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, can you hear me?
Name?
Uh, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes.
Oh, sir. Yeah. Good morning, sir. I am Utkarsh Mishra, and
Utkarsh.
yeah, I actually also used to
Hey,
come
see,
from home.
offline what, yeah? Offline
Yes,
people are saying, yeah, yeah.
sir. Actually, I had to come to my hometown because of some
Okay,
emergency.
okay.
But I really enjoyed your classes, and actually, sir, because of you, I actually got my, like I did not have any like paths to continue like very schedule because I am currently in BTech fourth year now.
Mm,
So I never had a vision. Like I thought I could do coding, but I did not have a clear like what is my potential and what can I do. So like my friends wanted to visit to Hyderabad and like they just wanted to tell their parents that they will pursue some course. But I thought like if I'm going there, so I should do something good. So while at the Naresh IT office, I just made a random choice that okay, I should do like AWS. I think it's good. And when I like started to attending your classes, then it feels like okay, this is something I can do. Because before that, I also tried Android development and also tried in designing and animation thing, but I never like got a like I could not understand. Like I just couldn't do that. It was too hard. But the way you taught this and the way you made it easy for me, I think I can pursue this as a career in my future.
definitely, definitely, Utkarsh. I still remember you, man. So you
Yes, sir.
came all of a sudden in one of my middle of the class and then you joined the next class. I still remember that.
Yes, yes. I was too confused.
I
Like in that,
understand.
yeah.
Yes. Very good, Utkarsh. Hope you got a lot and then all the very best for your next things.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma.
Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Sir, hi, sir.
Manikanta.
Yeah, sir.
Hi, Manikanta.
Sir, I don't know what to say. We are blessed to have such a wonderful teacher like you. It's been 4 years for me, and I have passed my graduation and worked as a developer in one mid-MNC company.
Nice. Okay.
Then after I left the job due to my personal reasons, and I really want to learn the AWS since I'm trying from last year, November and December. So that due to some reasons I couldn't attend some classes in the university. So then from May or June, I contacted the university again, so that they have given some demo classes and some classes. But I got you. Then I started taking the classes and all. So I think good things takes time. So that's this is how it's been.
Yes.
Yeah, and I really thank God that I got teacher like you. And I got a one question for you, sir. Actually,
Yeah, sure.
how could you even visualize the online student who is sleeping and who is listening your classes? Like, how?
Can you come again?
How could you visualize an online student sleeping and listening your classes? I really wonder.
So based on the no, that's based on the experience.
Yes, sir. Actually, twice it was happened with me, and I don't know what how sir is seeing us.
All of a sudden you sit correctly, sit properly, and then you got to learn.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very good, Manikanta. So
Yes,
all the
sir.
very best.
Thank you,
So
sir.
all the
Thank you.
very best for your next things.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, next.
Hello, sir. My name is Deekla Venkata Murli Krishna.
Hi, Murli Krishna.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
So great to talk to you. Actually, it's not a easy thing for me to speak because I'm taking all the classes in online. First of all, I want to appreciate Naresh Shetty is having such a foundation, sir. I mean, I have done Java, UI technologies, everything, and everyone are so amazing. You know, all teachers are so amazing, and I need to take 3 years of experience. I mean, I'm just still studying. I've done VPC, so which I have failed. So I came into software industry. Then I heard about Naresh Shetty. Then I started taking classes. From past 1.5 years, I'm been taking classes. So I want to be fully prepared. So I heard for experienced people also, they ask about minimum you need to know the knowledge about cloud. So I was like, what is cloud? Who's floating this? Then sir is to say, I mean, in microservices, sir is to say it's taking about for rental basis. And everything was so confusing. Then once I started taking your classes, it's like, oh, this, that. I mean, it's like all visually so clear, sir, with your classes. And it's so amazing also. And of course, every class is like enjoyment. It's not like someone is forcing or it's like sitting for some time. Oh my God, when the time will pass or something like that. When the class is over, it's like, oh, it's done. Oh my God, no, some more. Something more like that. I mean, your interaction is so awesome. And thank you for keeping attention to our online videos. It's very helpful.
Definitely, sure, Murli, and I would say that Murli is one of the what is guy, like, interactive guy all the time. So for each and everything, every time he'll put a message, right? Is it clear? Yes. The first person who will put his yes, Murli only, and then he'll ask questions, and then what to put it in public chat and what to put it directly to me private, he knows very well. So that's really professional and very good. I wish you and I wish you all the very best, my dear Murli.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I mean, you will be almost my favorite every time. And your voice is awesome, sir.
What?
Your voice is awesome. You'll be my best
Voice.
teacher always.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Murli. All the best. Yes.
Thank you, sir. I'll let you know. I'll post in the Facebook once we get the job.
Sure. Yes. Next.
Hello, sir. This is Soumya.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Can you hear us?
So my name is Rajia Sultana.
Razia. Hi. Okay. I cannot. Yeah.
How are you, sir?
Hi, ma.
Okay, sir. Sir, I completed my graduation in 2017, sir, and last 4-5 years I sincerely prepared for only bank exams, sir, but I did not qualify. Then so many friends suggested me to join this AWS and DevOps classes in Naresh IT, and I'm eagerly waiting for you, sir, to talking. 2 months నుంచి మీకోసం చాలా వెయిట్ చేశాను మీ క్లాస్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలని చెప్పి అండ్ మీ క్లాస్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను ఫైనల్లీ మీతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది సార్
Thanks, Amma.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ వండర్ఫుల్ నాలెడ్జ్ అండ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు టాక్ టు యూ సార్
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I always have a high respect with that name. So that is my mother name also. So yeah, very good. All the best. I should not call you also with my name. I'm scared. So good. But all the best, ma. All the best.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
Thank you,
అండ్
ma.
మిస్ యూ సార్
Miss you, ma. Miss you all. Thank you. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Hello,
Yes. Hi.
sir. This is Reddy Prasanna, sir.
Hi, Reddy Prasanna.
Thank you for your classes, sir. Very nice. And I have a almost 9 years career gap due to marriage, children's also. So this is my first journey to start with this AWS only.
Wow.
So very first step, I am very positive attitude due to your classes only.
Very good.
Basically, I am a non-IT student. I am from a triple background only. But I am okay with the software, so I can learn anything. I have
Definitely,
that
ma.
much of
Yes,
due to
definitely.
your due to your classes and your motivation only, sir.
Thank you, ma.
After
So I
this,
just sorry to interrupt you. I'll tell you one good thing for based on this. So there was also one more lady like this, where she has exactly 9 years of gap. She was also a household. She had babies and all, and she joined my class and
yes,
she
sir.
took the AWS classes, right?
Yes, sir.
And then what she did was, and you know, she was doing parallelly, she was a school management. In schools we have, right? In school she's doing
Okay.
some management. And
Okay.
now after the classes,
Yes,
she's
sir.
AWS engineer in very big company having a great salary. And
Oh,
she
very nice.
always come to me to meet me there, and she knows me actually, and she
Yes, sir.
always like, you know, so why I'm saying this is like you
Yes,
have
sir.
a lot of scope. So
Yes, sir. Yes,
definitely
sir.
you'll be having a lot of scope.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
After this much years, and also I have confident due to your sessions only, sir.
Great, ma.
Thank you very much, sir. అదే సార్ ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ గ్యాప్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా ఓకే నేను చేయగలుగుతాను నాన్ ఐటీ అయినా కూడా ఓకే అనే కాన్ఫిడెంట్ వచ్చింది సార్
Super, ma. Super. Very good.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Definitely you will kick it, you will crack it.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ
All
మచ్
the
సార్
best. Good Pawan.
Hello, Guruji. Hello.
Hello, yes.
Hello, Guruji. I am Sunil Ratnakar here.
Hey, Sunil. So Sunil Ratnakar.
Guruji, I want to talk about you to all students.
Sure. Let me introduce you, Sunil.
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
Sunil, this guy is one of my friend, and also he is my co-worker in my previous company. So unfortunately, he joined the classes here. Yeah, Sunil, over to you.
Hi, friends. I would like to talk to all online and offline students. So sometimes God will give opportunity to take a classes, but God has really given opportunity for me to work with Riyaz sir. So I worked with him almost 1 year, and he is my guru, my role model, and my inspiration. I always pray for him. So I'm not that much into techie guy. So because I prepared for civil services and I got failed, I joined into one project company, that is Napa Software, and I was completely out of IT syllabus and all. So when I joined with the company, So because of his support, his classes online, I mean, wherever I was in the office, he used to give presentations and sessions. What he told about Active Directory and all, no, he told me inside the, room actually, those an office room. So those all concepts still in my mind, and his presentations and all because in Europe, Finland, Estonia, some of the countries were there, were working with the project. Those all people used to get, I mean, if he started explaining something, no, he's presenting some uh, AWS activity things, no, so everyone will get appreciate. And he got that time I can remember that almost 1.8 lakhs prize amount. Rhea sir got prize amount he got, and we went for a cafe also to have food, and so many memories are there with me. And because of him, I traveled Europe and Estonia, because I was completely out of IT, because I studied only history, politics, and all geography, those things. But so he supported me a lot in that during 2013, and each and every moment I know, I remember those moments always. And as I am passionate about literature and Kannada films. So I written 5 books and one short film. All my 5 books and my short film, Riya's sir name is there. And if I want to do something else in my future also, definitely I will. That name, no, it is there in my heart forever. So coming to the AWS class, because it helps me a lot now. I'm working as a SQL Server DBA around 10.6 years of experience right now, and wherever I give interviews and in current organization also, it's helping me a lot. That is a cloud architecture, but the 7 Oracle cloud certification I've done, but AWS certification is a very boom in the market. Everyone asks about do you have a AWS certification like that? So almost all classes I attended, I never miss any single class. But I love to hear his voice, and I have one small request for him. Let him, if possible, let him write one book on AWS, because some students, if completed the class, no, then that book at least everyone can buy that book. It can help if possible. It's my request. In future, if possible, please do it. I can help you for that. And I don't have any words, Guruji. You are my Guruji. You are my inspiration, my role model, and you are everything for me. Thank you so much for the great opportunity to work with you and take a AWS class from your end, Guruji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sunil. Thank you for wonderful words. And you know how nicely speaking, you know what? He's also a Kannada film director. So he did a lot of short films, and then he also planning to direct a movie in Bangalore, I mean Karnataka. So really good. All the very best, Sunil. And very, very, very lovely to hear you after so many years. And really good. All the best. I'm there for you all the time.
Thank you, Guruji. After the certification, I'll come and meet you, Guruji. Definitely. Thank you.
Definitely, Sunil.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Srikanth here, sir.
Hi, Srikanth.
Yeah, it's been very nostalgic, Sarji. So, feeling that, I don't feel that today is the last class, because even though the class is over, right? At least once in a week, any kind of demo class, I thought of joining just to hear your voice, sir. No, seriously, sir. When I'm working as a lead in one of the MNC company, I have 2 teams under me. Okay. But I am little emotional guy, but I never felt like this kind of emotional thing, Sarji. I hope everyone felt. I heard Subranshu. It was even when he's talking, we were into his shoes actually. Hey, how come this guy is exactly telling whatever is there in our heart?
Yeah.
So such kind of it is not that easy, sir. Any courses, wherever you go, what are the people you work in, any MNCs, any companies, that is not that easy to make this kind of rapport, emotional attachment. So what I can say is, I completely agree with Sunil, what he is telling, right?
Yeah.
The more than the work, the life, right? The way how you teach, people mesmerize with your voice and the way your presentation skills are. In my office, all my team members, including my managers, and they appreciate I have very good presentation skills. But I, having with that experience, right, I'm telling you, nobody can match your presentation skills. Believe me, I used to capture a screenshot. I was showing to someone else. he is also giving a kind of your classes under, okay, not
Oh.
AWS, but some other technology.
Yeah.
I was just showcasing why can't you, explain this way so that your student will get impressed a lot and they will get motivated. Because I always believe one word, sir. Picture speaks louder than voice.
Correct.
Because whatever we hear, we may forget after some point of time, but whatever we see, it will stick to our mind.
Correct.
That's why we always wanted you to see live at least one session, but sorry, like there is no webcam provision. People told yesterday.
Yeah.
And one good thing is I have two kids, sir, two girls. They're going school. When they're getting ready, whenever they don't have school, right? They always hear voice. My kid used to sit with me and she used to laugh with all the jokes you're cracking with
Wow.
Telugu movie. I'm also Telugu, but just to understand for all the people I'm talking in English. Otherwise, I would love to speak in Telugu. My kid used to enjoy a lot, sir. Okay. The words like Babu, Chitti, Lan, sugar patients. With all these words, right? My wife, everybody, like, the name when we hear react, okay, it's 9 o'clock. There are days where before 9 o'clock, I used to check my emails, my work and all that. I used to connect and I leave it. And very surprisingly, in office, we have a tool installed in our machine which will track what and all activities we do.
Correct.
I got an email from manager saying that, are you attending Zoom meetings? But I did not reply on that topic.
Okay.
So maybe, sorry to take 2 more minutes, sir. Maybe other people might be cursing. I have so much to talk, so much to tell about. I was telling to all my fellow colleagues outside the companies, like, boss, if you are thinking about AWS, blindly go for RIA, sir. Naresh IT. It is not only helping RIA, sir, to make, adding students and all, but you are giving a life to the students who are looking for jobs.
Yeah.
So just helping one word also, it will create big impact to so many families, sir. Really, I'm telling you, after a couple of years, right, AWS might go away from out of our mind. Just think, maybe in future there might be some other technologies come and go. Maybe we may switch to some other technologies. But as long as we are looking at the laptops or whenever we hear anything about software, you will be there forever, sir. No matter about AWS, Amazon, doesn't matter. When it comes to teaching, yesterday we were desperately, it was heavily raining. Otherwise, we would have come and joined the celebration.
Nice.
It was very fortunate that, it was happened on the September 5th, which is a Teachers' Day. And I could really sense, I mean, I have seen the photos and videos of our students. Everyone is like, they are not treating you as a normal teacher, sir. They have filled up to their heart and soul. I don't know, beyond their parents and all. That's such kind of emotion you made.
Man, you
impressed on
make
me.
him emotional.
No, sir. Seriously, I could sense it yesterday. The gifts what we presented, right? Online, I'm unable to see it, but after that, in our WhatsApp group, people have posted. I could really sense it. Your eyes are filled with water. I zoomed it and I was showcasing my kids actually.
Yeah.
That is not that easy, sir. More than money, more than this thing, right? The teaching, the way profession. Only small request, sir. Wherever, whether you work in IT industry or doesn't matter, please do not leave this profession. I know you have very good, you love the profession teaching field and all, but my humble request is do not leave this teaching field. The reason is simple. This is the only field, sir, you can make people, settle together. And with that, right, so many families will become happy because of their jobs and all. So please do not, of course, you don't leave it, but not for you, sir, but for making our society and good for, state and country. Your contribution is awesome. I mean, so much is there, sir. I can't tell you. I'm also getting emotional. I hope everyone will agree with me. But I do respect others' time as well, and I'll give chance to talk on it. But yeah, other than that, definitely, sir, remember me. It is not about a certification and all. One or another session, I'll keep joining. I'll really listen to your voice. That's all.
Thank you so much, Srikanth. And I generally will not be very emotional, but with this Sunil and then you, like everyone, those who are talking today, it's like you guys are talking with heart. So
Yes.
I can feel that how importance that you gave me in your heart, and then how
Yes,
this
sir.
teaching, as you said, like doesn't matter about AWS and whichever technology.
Exactly.
So I'm really blessed and honored to get this kind of words from all of you. Like
Only mistake what I did was, sir, like I attended all the sessions, but I never practiced, not even single session. But still, you know what?
Yeah.
I have that confidence because in our company, people are forcing already to do the AWS certification.
Right.
We have a tie-up with Udemy. I already did it, Solution Architect Associate certification from Udemy. But you know what, sir? I have zero knowledge on it. But don't ask me how you get the certification. It's just a random multiple questions. I give it try. Wherever it is wrong, I take a screenshot. Okay, next time I'll select correct answer. That way, I just showcase that for management purpose. But honestly, I don't know anything. But with your classes, I was promoting, in the market, like to all the students, all my friends, whoever it is, go to rehearsal blindly. Don't think anything. Even, sir, actually, one good thing is I got picked up in H1B lottery this year from my company. In first lottery, I did not get picked up from private organization consultancy. I tried one. Both were not successful this year. I was praying God desperately. And recently, a week back, in the second lottery, I came to know that I was selected. And then I don't know how much time it will take to get the process visa and all. But I was telling my wife, okay, you have to listen. I mean, you have to attend rehearsal classes and you have to learn AWS. Who knows after going, US, right? If you have to work, better to learn. So such kind of, so I mean, I was sharing the screenshot to all my friends in WhatsApp. They were like going mad. Are you? I mean, is it possible, man? In the class, he is really writing all these things, or it's a presentation. One time he has used and he's already using the reusing the same under. And you know what, sir? I think couple of days I missed your classes because my kid was unwell and she got hospitalized. 5 years kid. I was there in hospital desperately and I was trying to join from mobile, but whole nights, 3 days, we do not have sleep because the canals are there, injection salines are going on. 5 years kid, right? We are holding the hand throughout the night. Morning, I tried to join from mobile, but somehow I could not join. Just because of that, sir, once I'm back home, right? Evening 6 o'clock, I have a status meeting for my project. But even then, I skipped it and I have joined your 6 o'clock call just to hear your voice after 3 days.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter, sir. It's not about subject. I don't know how much I have bonded. I not only call you as a sir, or I don't. I am not only considering you as my guru, but you are my big brother, sir.
Thank you very much.
You are part of my family now.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That's all I have. But yeah, wherever I go, I definitely feel that name, that 5-letter word is already sticked in my mind and brain.
Thank you. And
All the very best, sir. All the very best. I pray God to give you lot more energy to make fulfill for all the students life brighter and brighter. I wish good health and prosperity. I wish you be in success in whatever the position you are in. That's all, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Srikanth. Thank you for the wonderful words, and please say hi for your kids from me and for your
Definitely,
wife also.
they went school, sir. Otherwise, I would have recorded this one. Definitely, I'll convey them. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best, Srikanth.
Thank you, sir. Friends, don't curse me. I might took a little long, but this is all like feeling emotional.
Hello. Hello, yes, sir.
Hi.
Hi, this is Bhaskar.
Hi, Bhaskar.
I echo Srikanth, words. So it took so long, so I don't want to take so much of time. Even I'm in same, Srikanth's position, having leading multiple teams and all. So this is actually, this slot is my commute time to office, whether I go in cab or drive self. Just want to throw out, instead of wasting time in traffic and spending time in traveling bus. So I thought I can take some session. So I think it's fortunate that I got this session randomly. So yeah, so I think so. I made I best used of my time. So I think so. Thank you very much. thanks for all your teaching.
Thank you, Bhaskar. Thank you for the words. All the best.
Okay, bye bye.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hi,
Om Prakash here.
Om Prakash. Hi.
Actually, sir, I'm working in Capgemini currently,
Uh-huh.
and it's been like I have joined this class before 2 months, and doing currently regularly this class at the morning 9 a.m. But it's like for me, I have joined many classes online. Previously, I had Java sessions also, but this time I got emotional and said that from tomorrow we I am not able to hear your voice like hi, hello guys, how are you? So that's the thing. It's making me emotional and sad, and it was a very amazing and wonderful journey with you from last 2 months, and that I'm lucky that unfortunately, actually I was trying to enroll for AWS course, but I don't have any idea that I will be that much lucky that I will get a very amazing trainer like you. So thank you so much, sir, and you will be great, sir. We will I will remember you for lifetime, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Om Prakash. Thank you.
And God bless you, sir, always.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
All
Hi,
the
sir.
best. Thank you.
Hi, sir. This is Venkatesh.
Hi, Venkatesh.
Hi, sir. So currently I'm working as a developer. So almost I have around 11 years of experience. So just AWS wasn't just an option, sir, for me. Just I thought like, I mean, just on a high level, I will go through the AWS classes. But but what you have done is, sir, you have injected all the AWS topics in my mind, sir.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, till now, I mean, we were on-prem, sir. So we are migrating I mean, we are going for migration with P2C. I mean, on-prem to cloud. So
P2C,
definitely, yeah, P2C. So this will be definitely helping me, sir. So I assume that, I mean, even my PE team, I mean, production engineers also don't know these many topics. So
correct.
yeah, sir, really, sir, it was very helpful, sir, with your session. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you. All the best, Venkatesh. Should we give offline students? Anyone wants to talk?
Hello, sir. This is Soumya.
Yeah, let's take Soumya and then we'll give chance to offline also.
Sorry.
Yes,
Thanks
Soumya,
for the
please.
time. Yeah. Actually, I have 12 years of experience
Okay.
in storage and backup administration. And I recently moved to USA on a H4 visa. So now I'm looking out for a job. So I thought of changing my technology, wherein I found AWS will be somewhere related to my previous career so that I can just continue along with that. And all your classes are really, really great, sir. I liked your classes. And most probably I will listen to your recordings for next 6 months because we have access only for 6 months for the recordings.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Hopefully, if we get any more doubts, so can we contact you through your email ID?
Sure, definitely.
Just,
Thank you.
can you just reconfirm your email ID in the group chat so that
Sure,
we'll
we'll
be
do.
more happy?
Sure, sure, definitely.
Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you, Soumya. So
Thank you.
let's now hear from offline. So yes, sir. Maybe you can speak.
Hi all, very good morning. So my name is Nagendra, and so it's been a great pleasure to be a part of a student of Mr. Riyad. So my actual experience, it's like, so I'm into the international BPO calling. So I have nearly 11 years of experience. So even my friends used to suggest like, why can't you get into the IT? So at the time I thought like I do not have a capability to get into this software field because I am my education background is completely into the science. So it's biochemistry, microbiology, and chemistry. But when I started my career into international BPO, so even my close friend recently, he visited my home, and so I was working from work from home. Then he listened to my communication, how I am communicating with the customers. So at the time he appreciated me and he said like, so you are speaking like a US guy. So even the US customers can understand very easily. And then he said, so you have a very good communication, and so why can't you get into the IT? Then I thought like, so let us go to the Amirpet. So here we have a very good platform to get into the software. Then I came here and I consult the admin and the local Naresh IT. So they advised me to get into this AWS course, and because I don't want to get into the programming because my background is completely different. So it would be very difficult to understand the things because here I'm not like a 25 years or 30 years age guy. So I am into 40 plus. And it would be very difficult to me to understand the technical parts. Even I'm into international BPO and my complete experience is into customer service, not into technical support. But current company has forced me to get into the technical support, and so I do not have a other option where I can get this company and join in some other company because currently the market is so worst. Then I accepted my thing to get into the technical support, and currently I'm getting trained into that. So when I when I came to know about this AWS, and somewhere else I got Mr. Ria's name. Uh, Riaz used to say like, please put your comments in Facebook or mouth chat and this. But it's already there is a mouth talk. If anyone come to Amirpet and if they talk about AWS, the first utmost name, most of the people I heard and even I really experienced. So they are inquiring about Mr. Riaz. So when the new batch is going to start. So recently I came to know when I reached Naresh IT, and so one guy is asking about, so my sister want to join in AWS, and I am very keen to get into this AWS concepts, and I heard Mr. Riaz is the best trainer. So it's already there is a mouth talk. If anyone comes to Amirpet and if they speak about AWS, then definitely Mr. Riaz's name will come first. So the way he teaches and the skills. So in my career, I have been into the academics and I have been into the many companies about to getting the process trainers, and I never saw the type of skills that which Riaz has is exceptional. So even he used to say teaching is my passion. Yes. So even if anyone, if they have a passion, then definitely they will get into this position and they will get succeeded forever. So Mr. Riaz has such a talent, and even I am completely from non-IT background. So as I said, my current experience is to only speaking to the international customer about the process, like the product. So every day I used to communicate with the US, UK, New Zealand, Australian customers. So my shift starts at night 8 p.m. and my shift ends at early morning 4:30. So I thought like, so I didn't have I didn't thought like it would be a very challenging to attend 9 a.m. class because those are my sleeping hours. So, but even I never felt very sorry to get into this course, because even I had a very difficulty to get in to the offline classes. And so we even you trust me, so this complete 2 months course, I slept only for 2.5 hours per day, and I worked in night shifts, and I never put leave, and I never put leave for training classes. I never put leave for my job. So it's like uh, such a vibe he has. So even recently, I went to my hometown and I had some works at that particular time. So 9 a.m. So what I used to do, if I am at some other work, so then I will take my privacy and I will have my mobile in hand. And I attended all the classes. I never missed it. So this total 60 classes, I never missed even a single class. And most of the classes that which I attended here is offline. So online only when I go to hometown at the time. It's very like mostly it's 10 days I attended the online classes. So it's been a very great opportunity that I have been a student of Mr. Riaz, and he has a very good teaching skills, and even he used to teach about the real-time scenarios and the certification questions. So no one will teach like this. And so another thing, so here, as I am into the communication field, so I would like to say something about which will help your careers. So nowadays, if you go to the any job, the first utmost thing is the communication. Even if you have a subject knowledge, if you do not have a knowledge of expressing the things, definitely you will not get succeeded in your interviews. So my journey is like, so even I am into the Telugu medium, so I never gone through this English medium schools and all. You trust me, when I started my career in BPO industry, so when I attended the interview first in Chennai, the company called Allsec Technologies. So initially, so the interview thing, how it would be like, so they will be asking about, all of a sudden they will ask the candidates to speak about any topic. So they will check our communication, how we are expressing the words, sentence framing, and the body language. So I do not have what I did at the time. Even I do remember, I purchased one small school essay learning book. I by-hearted one topic and I read there in the interview. I got selected. I don't know how to speak English 10 years before. So there I started my career. So even I don't know about how to speak English, what to speak, what not to speak. So I worked there for 6 to 7 months. Then I got some knowledge in communication, and then I get into the international process directly from Sutherland Global Services. So from there, I started my career completely into international voice. So I have been speaking to the customers since 11 years. So how we will develop the communication is the first utmost thing is you have to communicate with your friends, with your colleagues, then only you will get the communication. If you go to somewhere else like English learning or English coaching, these things and all, that never help. Even if you attend the classes, so that will help you to frame the sentence, because they will teach some sort of grammar. So they will give some sort of basic things. It's not like how we will generally communicate with the people. So that is a baseline where they can give. But if you start speaking, then only you will get into the communication. So that's how I developed my communication skills. And So now I am into the international BPO, and even I used to get a lot of compliments from the customers. Like if I speak English, so they ask me, "Are you from US? So are you from UK?" So this much of communication, even my father never expected. Like, so I will be into this field, and I have this type of communication. So when I went to my hometown, so he sat beside me, and he listened to my voice, how I am speaking. He was surprised where I am and where I am now. So that is the main thing, because now the main reason to get into the IT, the first utmost thing is I have the very good communication. That is the only thing I have in my hand. Now I get into this AWS, and I learned a lot. Seriously, I do not have a time to do the practicals and all, but every day all these concepts are getting roaming around in my mind. So I have a confidence that definitely I will get into this IT industry and get this. So definitely I will remember Mr. Ria's name, who have given such a beginning to get into the software field. So it's been I never thought like I will get into the software, but now I got a confidence, like, so where I can get into the software field and build my career. So in my complete career, so definitely I will remember Mr. Ria's name. So it's been he's such a awesome person with very good interactive skills with the uh, students, and even he used to answer the online queries. Because in general, if any trainer, if he is taking the online and offline trainings, generally they won't answer online queries, because they do not have a time, and even they do not concentrate on online queries. But Mr. Riaz, he never missed even one single question. So he has a multi-talent. So he has a multi-talent. He can study the minds of the students, even the online, offline, wherever the student is there. So that is the one of the greatest thing where I can tell about Mr. Riaz. So the second thing, as I said, if you want to develop your communication, the first utmost thing, please read Deccan Chronicle newspaper every day for 15 minutes. And once if you are habituated to this, at least for 1 month, start listening news, English news, NDTV, so English news. So those will help a lot. And once if you are done with us, and simultaneously you need to communicate. If you are listening, then you will not get into this communication. You will not get this communication at all. So simultaneously reading the newspaper, and then listening to the news, and you have to communicate with your colleagues. Then only you will gain the knowledge of communication. And that is the thing I would like to tell. And another thing, so here the people who want to get into the corporate field, so I would like to give some suggestions to you people, how you have to be in corporate, how you have to be with co-colleagues. So this will help you a lot wherever you go, whatever the company it is. So the first thing is, never disclose about the previous company, the negative things with your co-colleagues. The first thing. And the second thing, never get a glitch along with the colleagues in regards to the work environment particularly. And by yourself, do not go to the team lead, do not go to your manager and tell, this guy is doing this guy is doing this. So that will create a very bad impact on you. So here how the corporate field works is, so be on time, and put your efforts in regards to the work and leave. That is what the corporate expects. So they never concentrate on what the colleagues are doing. So the manager will have an eye on you about your behavior, how you are coping up with the process, and how you are with your colleagues, and how is your interaction with the colleagues. So these and all will matters a lot apart from the work. So 70%, it's 80%. It's completely the corporate will look into the every employee's behavior first. Second is the work. If you have a very good behavior and if you have a very good rapport with your colleagues and the manager and the team leader, definitely they will give it time to develop yourself in a work environment as an employee. That's what I can say. So please keep these words in mind if you get into your any job. That will help you a lot, because even I used to suggest my co-colleague who used to complain about the co-colleague's behavior with the manager, and even I advised him, so please be calm, do not do this. So now he came to know about me and he said, you are right, I am into the right pace now. So that's how we have to. So it's been a pleasure to provide me the time to speak about Mr. Riaz, and I wish all the best to Mr. Riaz and his family to give a good health, and he will teach many more students and get into their careers very successful, and they will have a very good future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such a nice suggestions and nice words. And other also, and whatever the things that he said, like if you keep that in mind, it's really good for the career. Okay. So anyone else want to talk offline? No problem. If you can speak in Telugu also, it's fine. No, online people want to hear. No, come.
It was there. Hi guys, this is Venkat here. You know about me all in online students. I think most probably Rias will give the examples on my name only. Sorry to say this. Most probably I would thank to Rias sir, because I had 6 years experience in another hotel industry. But while coming here, my brother-in-law said, once come to IT industry, so you will get most paid off income. So I thought I don't want to come that side. I want to be in hotel industry. So after finishing that by conversation with my brother-in-law, so all of sudden I came to Naresh IT by searching with Google and so many websites. So in sudden I chosen one more class like with another name. I don't want to reveal that. So after that, I went to demo classes there. I did not get that much satisfaction there. Once I came to know Riaz sir is the best trainer, so I attend to the Riaz sir classes. So on the first class, till now I did not stop my classes. So 1 or 2 classes I stopped it, but from first day one I used to come from Riaz sir classes. So by knowing from first class, so the paintings, by seeing that paintings, I saw that I can learn AWS. So from first class, I decided I can learn the AWS. So that's why the reason I am in now here. So after finishing my class, I said to my brother-in-law, so I want to grab the AWS certification. So that much confidence I got to thank you, Riaz sir, from almost. Thank you guys. Keep giving opportunity.
Anyone else? Okay. Anyone? Anyone else want to talk here? Yes, sir. Come, please come. Yes, I'm there. I'm looking the chart, and then few more minutes we'll wind off. So because this is the only time that you can talk to me, I think few people already left online, but a few more minutes, please.
Hello. Yeah, good morning. I'm Shripati. Thanks for this wonderful session, and the journey happened for the last 2 months. Only one thing I can tell you. Sir, you recollected our college days again. Very simple. And teaching is a passion which can be seen. And I felt it very much inside from my inner feeling will be there, the instinct. I came to this demo class only randomly. With a one shot, I got addicted to him. Only thing is, Riaz means garden. Sir, am I right? So we came to this garden and had this a wonderful experience, which will be forever. Wherever you go, please remember this class as your memory. The skills and abilities are different, but the way you treat the other person matters here. The way he taught the class is like the picture tell. One of our friends told, picture speaks more. The paint concept is the most valuable thing in your presentation. Next thing is, I thank all the people who involved in the yesterday's function. Mr. Venkat, Bharat, Ravi, Revati, and Vinod. All these people had an internal meeting. So many people are there, I don't know their names, but they interacted with each other, and they want to give their token of love, which should not be told as a gift, but it's a token of love, which should be remembered whenever the clock ticks 9. So I feel that whenever the clock ticks 9, we'll be in Riyaz sir class. So it's nothing but the other way, it's cloud 9. Thanks a lot, and have a wonderful journey. All the best for everyone here. Thank you.
Okay, so I think we took 1 hour, so I think definitely it's worth to listen all these wonderful words, and and there are still more people, those who want to talk. I can really feel you, and because we don't want to waste others' time, and online people, and I see Deepthi here. So Deepthi ma, I saw your message. So Deepthi, she is my previous batch student, and she put a message like this, like, I would like to say thank you for every effort made by you, sir. Now the job, respect, money, which I'm earning, it's all because of you. Thank you so much. So she's my previous batch student, and then very great to see, Deepthi, your message, and I can see how the kind of affection that you joined in this class, and you're giving your you're giving your things here. So I really wish you all the very best for even next coming for great success. So thank you, Ma Dipti, and others. And so definitely this time is really especially this kind of situation will not happen for every batch. Every batch, I see that you see that I have completed so many batches, and the last day there will be like this kind of little bit emotional. But especially somehow at one time I said 9 a.m. is my one of the favorite batch. Since there, I also got connected with every one of you here, especially online and offline, everyone. So, and this class will be really special for me. And you made the yesterday also day special, and the token of love that you have presented. So it's in my workstation. So whenever I go and use my laptop, I can see the presentation that you gave to me. So I really liked, and even my family members also liked a lot. So that was really an awe moment for me. So guys, and I hope, and last few words from me, I hope these classes was very useful for you. And then definitely these classes, guys, the thing is here, learning will not stop you from making mistakes, but then that mistakes will help you to start learning again. So I wish really all the very best for each and every one of you here, online and offline. As I always say, I'm not that big person to bless you, but as I'm in the position of Guru, so I really bless and wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. And I always say that please, definitely by the grace of God, you will get settled soon. Right. And then thank you very much for bearing with me for these many 2 months. And for non-IT students, so better days are coming. Definitely AWS is booming. So for non-IT students also, they have a lot of scope. And those who have gaps also, for dear sisters, we have 9 years gap and all. So definitely for you also, we have definitely will get good time. So just wait for the opportunity. That's it. So thank you very much for joining my classes. And definitely I'll be missing you. This class, and our institute also will definitely miss you. And thank you very, very much. And it's a really honor, and I'm blessed to teach you guys. And definitely, you definitely will be success. And one last thing, what I can say is, whenever you reach your heights, whenever you get success in your next steps, you don't need to come to me and meet me. Just sit alone and give a nice smile. Then definitely that smile will reach me. Okay. So Nana, all the very best for your future endeavors, and God bless you. And this is your Riya sir signing off, and Jai Hind.